Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In today's class, I would like to discuss the phenols, in which we will learn the acidity of phenols and the effect of substituents on acidity. In this lesson, we try to understand an introduction to phenols, which include their nomenclature, structure and bonding, the acidic character, that is acidity of phenols, and we will also learn the effect of substituents on acidity. Introduction to phenols. An old name for benzene was phene, Phene, and its hydroxyl derivative came to be called phenol. Phenols are compounds of the general formula AROH, where AR is phenyl, substituted phenyl, or one of the other aryl groups, for example naphthyl. Phenols differ from alcohols in having the hydroxyl group attached directly to an aromatic ring. They are generally named as derivatives of the simple member of the family, that is phenol. The methyl phenols that are hydroxytoluenes are known as cresols. Examples include orthocresol, metacresol, and paracresol. They are sometimes called phenolic, also known as carbolic acids. They are classified as monohydric, dihydric, trihydric phenols according to the number of hydroxyl groups present in their structures. Structure and bonding. Phenol is a planar structure with a COH angle of 109 degrees, almost the same as the tetrahedral angle and not much different from the 108.5 degrees COH angle of methanol. Bonds to sp2 hybridized carbon are shorter than those to sp3 hybridized carbon, and the case of phenols is no exception. The carbon-oxygen bond distance in phenol is slightly less than that of methanol. In resonance terms, the shorter carbon-oxygen bond distance in phenol is attributed to the partial double bond character that results from conjugation of unshared electron pair of oxygen with the aromatic ring. The most stable Lewis structure of a phenol and its dipolar resonance contributors have been illustrated in this figure. Acidity of phenols. The most characteristic property of phenols is their acidity. Generally, the acid strength of any acid, that is Ha, in water can be expressed by an acidity constant, that is Ka. The acid dissociation constant Ka, also known as acidity constant or acid ionization constant, is a quantitative measure of the strength of an acid in solution. It is the equilibrium constant for a chemical reaction known as dissociation in the context of acid-base reaction. The chemical species Ha is an acid that dissociates into A-, the conjugate base of the acid, and a hydrogen ion, that is H+. The system is said to be in equilibrium when the concentrations of its components will not change over time because both forward and backward reactions are occurring at the same time. The dissociation constant Ka is defined as Ka is equal to A minus H3O plus by Ha, where quantities in square brackets represent the concentrations of the species at equilibrium. Compounds with a smaller Ka and larger pKa are less acidic, whereas compounds with a larger Ka and a smaller pKa are more acidic. As shown by the data in the table, simple alcohols like methanol and ethanol are about as acidic as water, but the more highly substituted tertiary butyl alcohol is somewhat weaker. Substituent groups also have a significant effect. For example, 2,2,2-trifluoroethanol is approximately 3,700 times stronger than ethanol, for instance. Phenols and thiols, the sulfur analogues of alcohols, are substantially more acidic than water. The acidity of a compound is defined as its proton releasing ability in the presence of water, which acts as a Lewis base. The hydroxyl group is present both in alcohols and phenols and can have the general formula ROH, where R is alkyl or substituted alkyl in case of alcohols and aryl or substituted aryl in case of phenols. We group phenols as a separate class of compounds because their chemical properties are quite different from those of alcohols. One of the most important of these differences is that phenols are significantly more acidic than of alcohols. Indeed, the acid ionization constant for phenol is 10 to the power 5 times larger than that of ethanol. The hydroxyl group present in alcohols and phenols can act as a proton donor, and dissociation occurs in a manner similar to that of water. The conjugate base of an alcohol is an alkoxide ion, for example, methoxide ion from methanol, ethoxide ion from ethanol, and so on. Another way to compare the relative acid strengths of ethanol and phenol is to look at the hydrogen ion concentration and pH of a 0.1 molar aqueous solution of each. See the table given. For comparison, the hydrogen ion concentration and pH of 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid are also included. In aqueous solution, alcohols are neutral substances and the hydrogen ion concentration of 0.1 molar ethanol is the same as that of pure water. A 0.1 molar solution of phenol is slightly acidic and has a pH of 5.4. By contrast, 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid, completely ionized in aqueous solution, has a pH of 1.0. Phenols are more acidic than alcohols because the phenoxide anion is resonance stabilized. In phenols, the hydroxyl group is directly attached to an aromatic ring, allowing resonance interaction between a lone pair of electrons on oxygen and the aromatic pi cloud. Due to this, the ring becomes more negative and the hydroxyl group more positive. Because of this resonance, the oxygen-hydrogen bond is more polar in phenols than in alcohols and consequently more acidic. P orbital of oxygen, which has a lone pair of electrons, overlaps the pi cloud of benzene ring. This strengthens the carbon-oxygen bond, which is therefore more difficult to break. In addition, this resonance makes the ring more negative and polarizes the oxygen-hydrogen bond. Besides examining the reactants, we should also examine the products in order to fully explain the acidity of phenols. The salt of a phenol is a negative phenoxide ion, whereas the salt of an alcohol would be negative alkoxide ion. Due to resonance, the phenoxide is more stable than the alkoxide ion. The negative charge is delocalized over the entire molecule. On the other hand, in the alkoxide ion, no resonance is possible and the negative charge is localized on a single oxygen atom. The delocalization of the charge stabilizes the phenoxide ion to the greater extent than the phenol itself and thus shifts the ionization equilibrium to favor the formation of anion, that is the phenoxide ion. The phenoxide ion is more stabilized by resonance than the phenol itself because it is the former dispersal of the same charge, that is negative charge, takes place while in the later separation of charge occurs. The stability of both phenoxide ion and alkoxide ion has been shown in the figure. Substituent effects on the acidity of phenols. The acid strength of phenols is affected considerably by the presence of substituents on the ring. Substituted phenols can be either more acidic or less acidic than phenol itself, depending on whether the substituents is electron withdrawing or electron donating. Phenols with an electron withdrawing substituents such as nitro, cyano, sulfonic acid, etc., particularly at ortho and or para positions, are more acidic because these substituents delocalize the negative charge. Phenols with electron donating substituents such as hydroxy, amino, etc. are less acidic because these substituents concentrate the charge. The acidifying effects of an electron withdrawing substituent is particularly noticeable in phenols with a nitro group at the ortho or para positions. The electron releasing groups destabilize the anion relative to phenol due to +1 or +R or both effects. The presence of a substituent makes the compound less acidic than phenol. The electron withdrawing group assists the delocalization of negative charge by -1 or -R or both effects. Thus, anion is more stabilized than the phenol. The structures illustrates this relative effect compared with phenol as the standard. In some cases, the phenols having electron withdrawing substituent at the ortho position are weaker acid than the para isomer. In these cases, the acidic hydrogen is involved in the formation of intramolecular hydrogen bonding with the electronegative element like fluorine or oxygen. An ortho or para-nitro group greatly stabilizes the phenoxide ion by permitting a portion of the negative charge to be carried by its own oxygens. Electron delocalization in ortho-nitrophenoxide ion and electron delocalization in para-nitrophenoxide ion have been shown here. A meta-nitro group is not directly conjugated to the phenoxide oxygen and thus stabilizes a phenoxide ion to a smaller extent. Meta-nitrophenol is more acidic than phenol but less acidic than either ortho or para-nitrophenol. Multiple substitution by strongly electron withdrawing groups greatly increases the acidity of phenols, as the pKa value for 2,4-dinitrophenol is 4 and 2,4,6-trinitrophenol is 0.4. These are the references followed for the lecture. That's all in this lesson, phenols and the acidity of phenols. In the next video, we discuss the qualitative reactions of phenol. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.